Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So nginombuzo la bafethu. Nginombuzo obaluleke kakhulu la. So lapha phambi kwami nginama-winger amangaki? Nginama-wingers ayi-4. Left winger okumfukeng, mase kuba right winger okuMonapule Saling, kube another left winger oku-Otladisa, kube i-right winger eyubani eyu-Gilberto, yabo. Angifuni ukuchaza kakhulu ngale two engala. Le two engala siyayazi. Monapule Saling, umdlali lo bafethu uthandwa kakhulu, fan favorite. Monapule Saling asimbonanga kakhulu edlala last season mase kuba ubani kuba umfukeng Relebohile Mofokeng umdlali lo ngempela bafethu o-destined to go to Europe kule season entsha izoqala but ke engizokhuluma ngako la kula Orlando Pirates currently isasayine ama-wingers ayi-2 kuleli windi leli lisavuliwe nje basayina ama-wingers awu-2 basayine bani uTshepo Morim usuka kuMaZulu mase basayina bani Oswina Police siyibonile ke leyo signing leyo ejabulisa abalandeli abaningi kulobo badlali labo kuzowenza Orlando Pirates ibe nama-winger ayi-6 mase si-add bani unkota ngaphezulu sibe nama-wingers ayi-7 so bana ama-wingers ayi-7 kahle kahle ubani ozodlala ubani ozohamba la eceleni kwami sino Otladisa currently ngizwe kuthiwa i-contract yakhe izophela umjito njengoba izophela nje umjito i-contract yakhe I think Orlando Pirates izomdayisa noma i-contract i-terminate ngingazi ngiphathi ngangitshela ama-comments anginalo ulwazi oluningi ngo-Otladisa because akusiyena umdlali esijwayele ukumsebenzisa since afika nje ku-Orlando Pirates wahlushwa kakhulu ama-injury wangayena umdlali wafitha kwi-system Jose Riviero yabo so umjita afuqa manga angimazi kakhulu ukuthi ikhona yini indawo esingamnikeza yona kule season ezoqala because kukhona ubani ukhona unkota kube khona uSaling maybe mesalo uSaling kube khona bani Oswina Police noTshepo Morim so I don't think there's a space of ubani uOtladisa mhlambe ngama comments ngangitshela ukuthi should we keep uOtladisa I don't know but mina I feel like kungangcono ukuthi uOtladisa simdedele awudlalela enye iclub because simbone eSikhukhune United even though ama stats akhe ebengekho that nice kwiSikhukhune but umjida you can see ukuthi umjida ube enjoy indlela bedlala ngakhona yabo ube free even though kwaba khona lawo lezo ikhathi nyana ngiyakhumbula iclip yakhe efuna ukulwa ngazi wayefuna ukulwa nobani uMagalwa yini ezemkinya lapho awukapinge ezembamba ngokey but ke umjida for me I don't think isakhona isikhala sakhe kwiPirates maybe kodwa akhona lawo mafans angangitshela ukuthi hayi cha isikhala sakhe sisakhona manje siza kubani siza kuGilberto for me I don't wanna lie I don't think the guy really knows ukuthi umdlalo webhola ningangizwa kabi I really like ama-players we-Orlando Pirates. I like each and every player edlalela Orlando Pirates. But you have to sit back and watch your player outside of a football. Does your player really love playing e-ball? I follow this guy on Instagram. He doesn't seem like a professional football player. The things he posts. Unokuposta bese dance mfethu. Yabo, I know logo. Akuhlangene nebhola but unokuposta edance mfethu like ngathi ukuthanda kakhulu ukudansa kunokudlala ibhola because mase umfaka egroundini ngiyazi akudlalela ibhola ufuna yabo ufuna ukuwina ngalo samzama ku-Orlando Pirates wadlala 6 months ku-Orlando Pirates simthengile kwi-Portugal Luanda last season the guy didn't give us akasinikeza ngalutho mfethu uGilberto for me I don't think yena angabuya ku-Orlando Pirates I don't think because kunendaba engizwile ngakuthiwa vele ngeke azabuye Orlando Pirates decide ukumlona back to iPetro de Luanda so I don't think umjida kumele abuye but yena mfethu ayingeke yabo even kwiCOSAFA I watched iCOSAFA Cup bafethu I didn't see much of uGilberto Angola engamsebenzisi kakhulu uGilberto even in the final he didn't play any minutes kwi-final yeCOSAFA Cup between iBafana Bafana and Angola yabo so I don't think it's the right time to bring back uGilberto maybe angathola amanye ama-team mfethu akhona amanye ama-team uyodlala iChampions League vele next season so angasazama ukuyisiza i-team yakhe but I think we have enough wingers yena nje uzobe simoshela ispace lapha yabo right now so ngize kuMonapule Saling yes there are talks regarding Monapule Saling but currently Monapule Saling is an Orlando Pirates player yabo he's an Orlando Pirates player nobody can change that. He is contracted with the Orlando Pirates. He has a contract with the Orlando Pirates. It's up to Orlando Pirates to release the player noma yabo bamyekele aqhubeka adlale. But for me, umjida ngizwe nje kuthiwa Orlando Pirates ayikho emaplanini ukuthi imrelease mhlambe ke bangamrelease angazi anything can happen yazi Orlando Pirates unpredictable but the last time I heard ngezwe kuthiwa uMshida ucontracted with Orlando Pirates usano 2 years okhona kwi-contract yakhe yabo so mina ngokwami I would really love to see the boy play for Orlando Pirates next season angifuni nje uqamba manga I'm a big fan of Monnapule Saleng I love this guy even though he did us wrong last season but this season kumele uMshida adlale I even saw the teaser of the documentary ezokesha Orlando Pirates I saw ukuthi there was this clip uJose Rivera ebuza uMonnapule Saleng Saleng are you okay athi Saleng no athi Nkota you are in yabo ngathi mhlambe kwaba khona ubihiqihiqi between yena noJose Rivera yilo engakusho yo maybe lokho kwadala ukuthi angadlali most of the season because uyena buyisithendwa saJose ungabonisani kahle kwakhe noJose mhlambe yenye izinto eyadala ukuthi uMjida angadlali last season because uJose Rivera last season wayengezwa umshini last season it was my first time since the last 3 years uJose Rivera coach Orlando Pirates ngimbona edini uJose Rivera phela ubengakhombisa ukudinwa kwi-touchline last season nje bekuyisizini yokuqala ngqa simbona as ama fans sibona uJose iside la Jose Rivera lelidiniwe nebo ithethe so ref na wabona ama games bafethu yabo so mina for me I would really love to keep uMonnapule Saleng for next season yabo mase ngiza kumfuking Mfukeng ngike i-trick because abanye ngeke bajabule lento engizoyisho deep down I really want the guy to go overseas and play but when I look at Mfukeng I'm not saying he's not good enough to play overseas ningizwe kahle when I look at Mfukeng I don't see him playing mhlambe nizongile but I don't see him playing in that big stage yabo I don't see him playing kuma level abo Lamine Yamal maybe I see him playing kuma Belgian leagues yabo njengabo Chandra Campbell yabo lapho ke siyakhuluma but you have to see style of play Mfukeng mhlambe ngiyabheda kakhulu bafethu ningixolele but Mfukeng for me I would really love him to stay with Orlando Pirates for another season I would really love him to stay for another season maybe Orlando Pirates can check ama prices aqhamukayo kuma team because siyakhumbula phela kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa i-team yase-Israel ifuna ukumsayina uMonnapule Saleng Orlando Pirates athi cha ngeze ikwazi ukuyivuma leyo nto leyo so for me I don't think uya deserve ukuya kuma team amancane because meya kuma team amancane yobuyimoshela isikhathi Hugo Broos ngiyazi ambuke angakaze amthathe serious yamkhumbula uMashani Monetsi wa umdlalo obedlalela Orlando Pirates right now udlalela iWolves yabo maybe he can go to France yes he can go to France lapho ke mfethu noma asayinwe ibani noma asayinwa iMarseille eFrance asayinwe lama club la angadumile kakhulu but ama club adlala kuma league are strong angazi noma kuyayenza any sense yabo uMashani Monetsi wajoina le club le iba iyangikhohla igama but yase France right now udlalelani udlalela iWolves yabo udlale I think 5 years clear club 5 or 6 years clear club right now is playing at Wolves ku Premier League yabo ngathi angathola experience kula ma league lawa ase Europe angadumile kakhulu yabo so for me Mfukeng I feel like he needs another season maybe yabo to end it because last season bekuyisizini yokuqala ngqa Mfukeng edlala as a starter and holding i-team njenge Orlando Pirates so the two engala for me I don't think back deserve ukusala ku Orlando Pirates kumele nje bahambe uTladisa I'm sorry Muyifenya uTladisa I'm sorry Muyifenya Gilbert but I don't think they still have a space ku Orlando Pirates I think they should leave mase kuthi ubalo Mjida lo uSaleng benobani beno Mfukeng basale